Hello and welcome. Today, we'll take a step-by-step journey through Koha's acquisition module. Whether you're a librarian looking to streamline your processes or just starting with Koha, this module is your gateway to effectively managing library acquisitions. Let's explore the key features together, including budget creation, fund allocation, vendor management, purchase orders, and receiving books. By the end of this session, you'll have the skills to confidently manage your library's acquisition tasks. Ready? Let's get started. Why is the acquisition module important? The acquisition module is the backbone of your library's resource management. It helps you manage budgets and funds efficiently, track purchases and maintain accurate records, ensure that financial resources are utilized effectively. In short, this module is your one-stop solution for managing the flow of resources into your library. Let's start with setting up a budget, the foundation of the acquisition module. Follow these steps. From the Koha homepage, click on the acquisition module. Navigate to the budget tab. Without a budget, other features won't function. Click on Create New Budget and fill in the details. Enter the start date and end date, usually the academic year. Add a description for clarity. Specify the amount allocated for the budget period. Check the active box to activate the budget and click Save. Congratulations! You've set up your budget. It will now appear in the budget section under Acquisition Administration. Now that your budget is ready, let's allocate it into funds for better management. Here's how. Go to the Budget Administration page. Click on the Action button next to your budget. Select Add Fund and fill in these details. Fund name and fund code to identify the fund. Specify the amount you want to allocate. Set a warning threshold to get notified when funds are running low. Click Submit to save your fund. Use filters, example by library or budget, to quickly find specific funds. Your funds are now distributed as per your library's requirements, appearing under the Funds section in Acquisition Administration. Once your funds are allocated, the next step is to create vendor profiles to establish reliable sources for ordering library resources. Let's create a vendor profile. From the Acquisitions home page, click on the New Vendor tab. Fill in the vendor's details, including name and contact information, email, phone, website, etc. Address for communication and delivery. Check the active box to activate the vendor. Click Save to complete the process. Your vendor profiles are now ready for use in future orders. With your budget, funds, and vendors in place, let's create a purchase order. Go to the Acquisition module. Use the Vendor search box to find your vendor. Select the vendor, then click New and choose Basket from the drop-down. Fill in the basket details. Basket name, example invoice number or department name. Additional notes or details about the order. The vendor name will autofill. Click Save. Now, let's add books or items to the basket. Click on the Add to Basket tab. Choose a source from options such as from an existing record, from a suggestion, from a new record if the book isn't catalogued yet, etc. If adding a new record, fill in title, author name, and ISBN under catalog details. Quantity, fund, vendor price, and discount in accounting details. Add any additional notes if needed. Click Save. On the dashboard, you'll see details like internal notes, delivery, billing info, and options to export or email the order. Important: close the basket after sending the purchase order to the vendor to finalize it. Once your ordered books arrive, it's time to receive and record them. Follow these steps. Go to the acquisition module. Search for the vendor and click Receive Shipment. Fill in the shipment details. Vendor invoice number and shipment date. Shipping fund for the delivery cost, if any. Click Next. To receiving the items, click on Receive. For each item, enter the accession number or barcode and price details as per the invoice. Click Confirm to process the items. Finally, update the bill with bill date, shipping cost, and fund name. Check the close box and click Save to finish. Need to edit bibliographic details? Click the book title on the dashboard and select Edit. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need a refresher, feel free to revisit this video. Have a great day and happy managing!